Narecover na ang flight data encoder ng bumagsak na fighter jet ng Philippine Air Force sa Bukidnon. Samantala, tinawag na fake news ng AFP ang kumalat na larawan ng eroplano online. Yan ang agenda report ni Francis Folve.
Bihasa sa tactical operations ang mga piloto ng nag-crash na FA-50 ng Philippine Air Force. Ayon sa AFP, sanay rin sila sa ganitong operasyon umaga man o gabi kasama ang PAP FA-50-002 sa grupo ng isang operational mission pero nawalan ito ng komunikasyon ilang minuto bago marating ang target location.
Yung deployment po ng FA-50 is in support to the operations that we were conducting. So yung flight nila is to support the ground troops. This is the AFP operations through the 403rd Infantry Brigade engaged with the New People's Army and ito sir sa Barangay Ibaca, Balasan in Bukidnon.
Sa programang At the Forefront ng Bilyonaryo News Channel, sinabi ni Air Force spokesperson Colonel Maria Consuelo Castillo na agad naglunsad ng aerial at ground search para sa fighter jet noong March 4. Pero madaming balakid dito.
We deployed our helicopters to conduct aerial search over the suspected site where the aircraft could have been downed. And the operations the whole day of March 4 continued. We deployed different types of helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft to monitor and to check on the area. However, we are also challenged by fog and precipitation because it's a mountainous area.
Ayon sa report, natagpuan ng total wreck na jet sa masukal na bahagi ng Mount Kalatungan sa Barangay Mirayon, Talakay, Bukidnon.
Based on the narration of the Army personnel, Special Forces, as well as civilian volunteers who were deployed to search the aircraft, the area where the crash site is on a ridge line, and it's thickly forested. And when they saw the wreckage, it's completely wrecked. Actually, bits and pieces of everything. The aircraft, because you could just imagine this aircraft usually flies at very, very high speed. And if you could imagine the probable impact it had on the ground, you would expect that the wreckage is really, contains bits and pieces of aircraft,
So it
body
would
parts,
be very difficult to survive
body parts,
that
but
type of
based on
crash.
their assessment, they believe that those are the remains of the two pilots.
Dahil sa terrain, nahirapan na raw marating ang crash site pero na-recover na ang flight data encoder ng bumagsak na jet fighter at dinala na sa mga eksperto para masuri. Laman nito ang impormasyong gaya ng altitude at airspeed para malaman kung human, mechanical o technical error ang naging sanhi ng insidente. Nasa site na rin ang PAP investigators. Tinitingnan nila ang general area, mga bahagi ng aircraft at ang anggulo na tinarget at pinabagsak ito.
This aircraft flies at very high altitudes and very high speeds. And if we are to compare also with the capability of our local terrorists, are they capable of shooting down an aircraft that high and with that speed? So, well, it's probable, but it's very
Highly
unlikely.
Nilinaw rin ng AFP na fake news ang kumakalat na larawan sa internet nang umano'y nag-crash na FA-50 sa Bukidnon. Sa pag-fact check ng AFP, larawan daw ito ng US Air Force F-22 Raptor na bumagsak sa Florida noong May 15, 2020. Sa ngayon ay grounded pa rin muna ang buong fleet ng natitirang 11 FA-50 ng Air Force habang gumugulong ang investigasyon. Ayaw pa rin pangalanan ng AFP ang mga pilotong nasawi pero tiniyak nilang nakipag-ugnayan na sila sa mga naulilang pamilya at tutulong ang sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas sa kanila. Bumubuhos naman ang mga social media post na nagpapaabot ng saludo at pakikiramay sa mga naulila ng mga bayaning piloto ng bumagsak na fighter jet. Para sa agenda, Francis Polbe, Bilyonaryo News Channel.